Hi Heather, I'm going to show you really quickly how to edit the audio files in your quizzes because this is what the issue seems to be. So first of all, open up your Unit 1 quiz or your unit quiz. Click on the section that actually says listening. And you're going to see this grays itself out. So it's not valid for whatever reason. So just go ahead and back up over that. Click on the Insert Stuff button. Then click on Course Offering Files and then the Audio folder. And this is where your audio files are stored. And you're going to go down to the Unit Test Audio. And this is for Unit 1 right here. Click the button next to it. Click Next. Insert the correct, just insert some link text there, the Ventures Level 4 Test Audio for Unit 1, and click Insert, and it has inserted a whole new player. Now, unfortunately, we cannot edit how quickly or slowly it will, how quickly or slowly this will play. We can't edit that playback speed button on there. So there's really nothing that I know of that we can do to change that. But at the very least, we can get your audio files working again. Once you're done with that, you'll click Save and then Save and Close. And I know that's not in the picture here that I have, but click Save and Close, and that will completely save that edit to your unit quiz there. And just keep going through all of your quizzes. I'm going to do through Unit 3 on both of your teaching shells, and I'll take care of your master as well. But if you can go in and just check everything in all of your other unit quizzes, that seems to be the issue, and I'm not sure why it broke, but it looks like it's broken in the master as well. So I'm going to fix that for you. Hope that helps. Just let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.